Assalamu alaikum everyone. So it's another normal day for BONK. We're still kind of printing in this ascending triangle. There could be chances you see that BONK can actually try to come down a little bit to 2463, touch it down here and continue sideways until we don't really break up, as I spoke in yesterday's video. But there's a mini trend line that is coming into play. If you notice on the 1 hour time frame here, then BONK actually is making a nice good support and resistance here. So you have one support there, support here, and another support after that. A little bit of a correction you had yesterday. So how does the daily time frame also looks like? That's going to be more interesting to talk about. So if you look at the EMAs, finally again you have managed to stay above the EMA. So previously I told you that you came down and it looks like you make a bullish engulfing right on the 55 EMA. So bull cross is still maintained. Hopefully I'm not going to stretch the video too long. So this is going to be until 31 of March or probably even 1st to 2nd of April. Now if the apex is at 1st of April, I hope we don't get a April Fool and kinds of go down. That would be really bad. Now the thing is, I do hope we break above here, because also on the daily it does look like we're making a little bit of a curvy recovery right there, and then from here you break up, you retest, and you have a technical target all the way to 3804. And that's all for the video today. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.